Hi guys, Mr. Santos here. Today we're going to learn how to create a ball in Onshape. Everything starts by opening Onshape. Log in using your username and password. This screen will appear. Click the Create Document button. Let's name this project Ball and then click Create. Quick review before we start. You can rotate the view using the right mouse button. At any time, you can right-click and choose Isometric to return to a clean 3D view. On the left side, you can hide the planes you don't need. For this project, let's hide the front plane and the right plane. Now right-click on the remaining plane and select View Normal to. Let's zoom in a little. Everything starts with the Sketch button. Click Sketch and select the plane. Before making the ball, we'll start by creating a circle. Select the Center Point Circle tool. Click at the center of the plane. The exact size doesn't matter at first. Now let's give the circle a dimension. Use the Dimension tool and set the diameter to 2 inches. Next, click the Extrude button. Since the circle is 2 inches, we'll extrude it 2 inches, adding material. Confirm the extrusion. Now you have a solid shape. Remember, you can move the view at any time by holding the Control key and right-clicking with your mouse. Now select the Fillet tool. Click one edge and define the fillet size. Then click the opposite edge. Increase or decrease the fillet radius until the shape becomes a sphere or a ball. Once you're happy with the result, confirm. It's always good practice to name your features, but in this case, the project is simple. It's just a ball. I hope you learn Onshape in a way that helps you serve your community, build your career, and share what you've learned with others. See you next time. God bless you.